Greetings everybody, this is Domingo with you today. Hope you're doing fantastic, and today we're going to be using Playkarma. Welcome to Money Making Madness. So this is Playkarma, where you can download games, play them, and earn karma points to redeem for money. So these are currently the apps that I have installed here. As you can see, the Travel Town is an early access app, and I've played the game for 9 minutes, and then there's also many different offers as well. So there's also a daily rewards button that you can press to check in to get scratch cards, and you check in 6 days daily, and then you can get your free scratch card, and there you go. So we press OK, and then we just go in, and then we go to the scratch now. But it also shows a bit of an ad. I had the ad muted because I wasn't able to. I don't like ads, so I'm just showing you the ad but with no sound, so that way you can just see what you have to painstakingly go through in order to earn these rewards. I mean, I don't mind these ads at all, but most ads are a little bit much, so I'm definitely not looking forward to some of these ads, but hey, ads are ads no matter what. So we're just going to wait until we get past this. Okay, I might not play that game, but that's okay. We're just going to move on here. We're going to press the X on the top of the screen when it comes. There we go. And then we're going to look at the scratch card. So the scratch card on the top shows your multiplier, and then we're going to see if we can match the 3 doggy symbols. Let's see if we can get those doggies. No, we got 3 points only. So you earn points using the scratch cards, and then you can also enable location awards so that you can scan for reward opportunities and such. So you can press scan rewards, and currently there are no rewards right now, so we're just going to close out of that. And then you can also watch videos to earn points as well, and then you can also install the following apps and follow the requirements to earn these points as well. So there are ways that you can earn points with these apps, and also the games that you can play with here. So I currently have 1,861 points, and I've been playing Travel Town, and I've been earning 164 points average for 9 minutes, so that's not too bad. And I'm doing the occasional offer every now and then, and then they have offers every time you check in. So there might be a game that you like that you can play to earn karma points, and then the longer you play, the more points you earn, which is nice. So we're just going to go straight into the rewards here that you can earn, and they are from PayPal to Nintendo. So we're just going to look at the requirements for each of these rewards. So for the PayPal, you can earn up to $3 to $50, and the amount of points shown here, so that's 5,000 karma points for $3 PayPal. And then for the $5 amount is 7,500, 13,500 for $10, and about 25,000 for $25. I can see here. Yeah, that's about right. 28,500, and then 50,000 karma points for $50 PayPal. So you can definitely earn that pretty easily by playing games that have a high amount of karma earn rates, and then you can redeem it, and that's how you do it. Then for Amazon, if you have 1,800 points, it's $1, which I can redeem, but I don't want to. So I'm just going to save up for like the higher reward amounts here, and you can do that. So you can keep going here and keep earning money as you go along here, and keep earning points while you play the games. And you can definitely invest in the smallest amount or the largest amount. And you have iTunes gift cards as well here, 11,000 karma points for $10 iTunes. Then for the Google Play cards, you can earn up to $15 in Google Play cards. That's pretty decent. And then there's also the PlayStation Store gift cards, and this is different for each country. So this is Canada, so you can earn up to $20 and $50 for that. And then for the Starbucks card, you can earn up to $50 in Starbucks cards, and you can easily earn these points. So this is not a scam. This is no joke. You can earn these points by playing games and doing the offers and watching ads and all that stuff. And then there's up to $35 for the Nintendo Shop gift cards, which is really nice, and you can redeem that. And then the last one I have here is Roots. I don't live near a Roots, so this probably might not relate to me, but hey, Roots is Roots. Doesn't matter about that. So those are the rewards that you can redeem, and then there's also a referral section that you can send to your friends here, so that way you can send them your referral code and allow them to earn more points as well. So we're just going to go straight into the QR code section here, which is press invite friends. and there's my status and badges that you can earn. You can earn up to you can earn points and badges too. And then you can also use the referrer code on the description below here, or you can just click on the link there and the description. Then you can also scan the QR code. If you're watching this from a desktop computer, scan the QR code now with your phone, and then we'll each earn 300 karma points. And you can also earn up to 30% rewards on everything. So if you scan that now, that's great. So we're going to just dismiss that code here. And if you've already scanned it, great. And that is pretty much it. You can earn points along with me, and we'll earn points together. So that is it for this video. I wanted to thank you so much again for watching this video, and I hope this helped you out. Share it with your friends, comment below, and don't forget to subscribe for more money making stuff. Have a great day, and we'll see you next time for another video.